quick demo for you of creating a visual clapper.
Is get some felt, measure your hand on the felt, usually just using chalk or something similar, but felt is quite a good material to use, or you might want to use secondhand material. Jean is another really good one you can use. And then you would just cut them out of the material, and you can sew these together pretty quickly and easily. And on this one, I've got a line for ground and then the positive line, the voltage line. And there's a coin cell battery. That's all it took in here. Again, it's all about low cost and quick. This is a coin cell battery inside this one, and again with the ground line and the power line. And the idea is that when these lines come together, that's when you get that is just a string of LEDs in a filament. Connecting them together completes the circuit. So all we've done is just used felt to create a really simple concept, and then it's just using different types of materials. So to make something like this, all you need is, so this is, again, such a great material. This is conductive nylon tape, and all I've done here is use conductive nylon tape onto the felt system. I've only really had to sew these bits to where the nylon tape meets so that we can get the conductivity. But then very quickly, we've got a prototype that we've got some fun interaction with.